It's Mother's Day coming up, so I thought I would share one of the first recipes she shared with me, frying chicken. Even though it may have not just been chicken, it could have been quail, dove, rabbit, and squirrel. She fried it all and showed me how to do it. Simple instructions. Cooked in lard, the only way she ever did it. Makes a difference. She'd marinate whatever meat she was cooking up to 4, 5, 6, maybe 10 hours in milk overnight. If we had it, buttermilk tenderized the chicken. Make sure that your lard melts down. And there's about 375 when you go to put your chicken into it. Make sure your chicken is coated really well with your seasoning mix. Fried up until Mother never used a thermometer. She just knew. Until the bubbles stopped coming out of it, she knew it was ready by then. But the modern standard's about 165 if you got a thermometer. My mother taught me to take, and when she got all of her chicken or meat dredged, she'd let it set for a while. You can put it back in the fridge and let it set for a couple of hours if you want to. That'll really make the batter stick to it. And fry it up. Enjoy the rest of the recipe. Thanks, Mom, for showing me how to cook. I will always be thankful for what she showed me through the years, cooking lessons and life lessons.